this way.
Okay.
You just gotta keep this arm above the elbow.
Cool, I like that.
Oh, jeez.
All right, demonstrate it one more time for me.
Leg through. Bump this one. Keep that tight. Stretch it.